4 pillars of health and wellbeing in our academy. We have our eye on the future of health and wellbeing education. Our mission is to create a health and wellbeing model for school that is world-class. Instead of single subject coordinators, we want to support schools to create subject leader teams that work on holistic health and wellbeing through science lessons, in the active PE lessons, in PSHE lessons and discussions, and in the food technology curriculum when cooking and learning about nutrition. This approach has to be cross-curricular for pupils to understand that they are learning to care for their body and mind. For our education model to have long-term impact, for us to see change in children's health and well-being, these changes need to be sustainable. To achieve our 5 key outcomes, we focus on 4 pillars of health and well-being that, when taken care of together, offer pupils the chance to feel vibrant and nourished. Our mindset education programme is called Healthy Thoughts and is taught primarily through PSHE, health and relationships lessons. Our nutrition education programme is called Healthy Eating and is taught in design technology, where every cooking lesson is planned with a knowledge-based nutrition element underpinning it. Movement education, or Healthy Movement, is taught in PE lessons and in movement breaks throughout the day. And our lifestyle education, known as Healthy Habits to the Children, which is taught across the curriculum in science, PSHE, and outdoor education. Mindset, nutrition, movement, and lifestyle education, they help schools to organise their approach to health and wellbeing, and to ensure it features on their school development plan. The 4 pillars ensure subject leaders work together in teams and feel confident to communicate their approach to health and wellbeing to the whole community. This is a very visual project. You'll meet our health champions and see our health logos visible around our schools, reminding children how to take care of their bodies and minds. The Children's Health Project is a forward-thinking, modern approach to health and wellbeing education. Our lesson plans meet pupils' needs now. We move with the times and support teachers to feel knowledgeable when they deliver lessons. We find pupils talking to inspectors, showing them around the school, introducing them to our health champions, and demonstrating they know their bodies and minds and how to take care of them. Our lesson plans for Healthy Thoughts focus on 10 key topics. Each topic has at least 1 lesson plan for early years and foundation stage, 1 for year 1 and 2, 1 for year 3 and 4, and 1 for year 5 and 6. This is a progressive curriculum, which is also flexible and adaptable to your school. You don't have to teach every single lesson plan. It can fit into the programme that you already have running in your school. Our lesson plans include all of the subject knowledge a teacher will need to teach a topic and a comprehensive activity for the lesson with resources listed. We don't include timings or structure, as we know teachers like to deliver lessons in their own style. Most lessons are planned to last 30 minutes to 1 hour, with some teachers wishing to deliver topics over several lessons. All plans are flexible like this, and we love to hear how teachers have adapted our plans to suit their classroom needs. Lesson plans in the scheme of work for nutrition and cooking feature ambitious nutrition lessons with recipe cards when appropriate. We have high expectations for pupils learning about how to feed their bodies and minds, and want them to find passion and creativity in cooking. This is heavily based on both knowledge and skills. The knowledge of the ingredients, where they come from, and what they do for our bodies and moods, alongside the experience of creating delicious foods which are rich in minerals and antioxidants. As with our Healthy Thoughts lessons, we have at least 1 lesson plan for early years, year 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, for each of the 10 nutrition topics. The recipe cards that go with the nutrition lesson plans are child-friendly and can be printed and laminated for independent learning. Many pupils take the recipes home to share with their families. Our 10 topics for healthy movement meet many of the knowledge-based needs in the PE curriculum. The topic that teachers often say they feel less confident to teach, such as strength, speed, flexibility, and mobility. This is a varied curriculum with fitness, creative movement and even movement in the classroom, or kinetic classrooms, included. Our lesson plans include diagrams, subject knowledge, and are easy to follow on our Children's Health Project app, so can be used out on the playground, on the field, or in the school hall. 10 topics of healthy habits that teachers are keen to teach, all built around the basis of moderation and abundance. Getting outside for vitamin nature, taking care of their teeth, drinking enough water, sleep soundly, laughing with friends, and using breathing exercises to energize and relax. We are very proud to encourage a community approach and to ensure children are enjoying extracurricular hobbies. With over 160 lesson plans on our Children's Health Project Academy and on our Children's Health Project app, teachers feel supported to teach topics which they feel are fundamental to pupils' health and well-being. To summarise, using the 4 pillars of mindset, nutrition, movement and lifestyle supports teachers with the curriculum, their subject leadership, communication to Ofsted and the wider community, and engages the pupils in a visual display of health and well-being. Our health ambassadors are supported with our new curriculum map, demonstrating how all elements of health and well-being in the science, PSHE, PE and DT curriculum can be taught through the 4 pillars of health and well-being, without adding extra lessons or demanding too much time from the timetable. We hope this has helped you to understand the Children's Health Project approach to health education in primary schools. If you have questions you would like us to answer, don't hesitate to get in touch.